have a whole clan of femboys that you will break up, but you aren't, because you're a loser. So, I also want to let you know that I really hate Peter Gaker, Vincent Gaker, Ron Rummender, Geki Boy, and the fuck-ass THR monster. I hate you guys. This is the diss track kind of for you. And Achilles, I don't know how I feel about you,